Torrential slide value equivalent to $40.7101 a coin. The present exchanged cost range: $40.2699, $42.1271. The earlier day close: $41.1461. The change was 0.4360, 1.06%. Converse rate: United States dollars to Avax. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost forecast for December 2023. In the first place, cost at $21.21. Exorbitant cost $49.38, while low cost $21.21. The normal for the month $34.33. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $45.52, change for December 114.6%. Torrential slide estimate for January 2024. First and foremost, cost at $45.52. Exorbitant cost $84.84, while low cost $45.52. The normal for the month $56.64. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $50.66, change for January 11.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset, cost at $50.66. Excessive cost $62.88, while low cost $50.66. The normal for the month $55.74. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $58.77, change for Feb. Initially cost at $58.77. Excessive cost $72.94, while low cost $58.77. The normal for the month $64.66. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $68.17, change for spring 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2024. To start with, cost at $68.17. Exorbitant cost $68.17, while low cost $58.70. The normal for the month $64.54. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $63.12, change for April 7.4%. Torrential slide estimate for May 2024. To start with, cost at $63.12. Exorbitant cost $70.23, while low cost $61.05. The normal for the month $65.01. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $65.64, change for May 4.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at $65.64. Excessive cost $70.51, while low cost $61.29. The normal for the month $65.84. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $65.90, change for June 0.4%. Torrential slide gauge for July 2024. To start with, cost at $65.90. Exorbitant cost $71.87, while low cost $62.47. The normal for the month $66.85. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $67.17, change for July 1.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost, cost at $67.17. Exorbitant cost $74.75, while low cost $64.97. The normal for the month $69.19. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $69.86, change for August 4.0%. Torrential slide figure for September 2024. Before all else, cost at $69.86. Excessive cost $75.40, while low cost $65.54. The normal for the month $70.32. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $70.47, change for September 0.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2024. At the outset, cost at $70.47. Excessive cost $78.32, while low cost $68.08. The normal for the month $72.52. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $73.20, change for October 3.9%. Torrential slide estimate for November 2024. First and foremost, cost at $73.20. Exorbitant cost $80.92, while low cost $70.34. The normal for the month $75.02. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $75.63, change for November 3.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2024. To start with, cost at $75.63. Exorbitant cost $93.87, while low cost $75.63. The normal for the month $83.22. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $87.73, change for December 16.0%. Torrential slide figure for January 2025. Initially cost at $87.73. Excessive cost $97.63, while low cost $84.85. The normal for the month $90.36. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $91.24, change for January 4.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2025. Before all else cost at $91.24. Excessive cost $101.53, while low cost $88.25. The normal for the month $93.98. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $94.89, change for February 4.0%. Torrential slide gauge for WALK 2025. In the first place, cost at $94.89. Exorbitant cost $113.81, while low cost $94.89. The normal for the month $102.49. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $106.36, change for spring 12.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2025. To start with, cost at $106.36. Exorbitant cost $116.68, while low cost $101.42. The normal for the month $108.38. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $109.05, change for April 2.5%. Torrential slide conjecture for May 2025. Initially cost at $109.05. Excessive cost $109.05, while low cost $85.19. The normal for the month $98.72. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $91.60, change for May 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2025. To start with, cost at $91.60. Exorbitant cost $113.70, while low cost $91.60. The normal for the month $100.79. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $106.26, change for June 16.0%. Torrential slide gauge for July 2025. In the first place, cost at $106.26.